Hello everyone, this is Myung. It's a summer and the picnic season of the year, so I decided to make Maki, which is a typical picnic food. Before I show you how to make it, I would like to explain what Maki is. Often people say sushi when they should say Maki. Sushi is pressed rice with fresh or fermented fish, whereas maki means roll, mainly roll made from seaweed with rice and fillings. Oh, by the way, you might have heard of sashimi. Sashimi is fresh sliced raw fish. Okay, please don't mix them up anymore. Are you ready? Okay then, let's begin. The filling for maki, I'm going to bake 2 red peppers and then mix with balsamic dressing. Okay, it will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, for marinating this baked pepper, okay, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, pinch of pepper, dried oregano, mixed herbs, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, but if you like, you can add more. And pinch of sea salt and pinch of ground cardamom. And that's it. You can mix it. So when pepper is roasted and cooled down, I will mix with this dressing. That will be very good one of fillings for maki. So it took 25 minutes to roast like this. It's well roasted, so I will hot. I will cool it down and then I will peel this skin and then mix with the dressing I made earlier. So when I open it, lots of nice sweet juice comes out. So I will use that with this dressing. I don't want to waste of any this nice juice. It is all cooled down. First, take the juice out. It's easy to peel this skin. Okay, so all done, and I will mix it. So you can use this for salad or for sandwiches or burger, or you can use as a side dish. Usually I marinate this in advance. Marinate for a day would be nice. So now portobello mushroom, you can use any mushrooms, but I love this portobello mushrooms, so I'm going to use this for filling for maki. So have to be very thin sliced. I slightly dried these mushrooms in the sunshine, so then you can absorb more vitamin D from this mushrooms. 1 tablespoon liquid aminos and 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar and a little bit of mixed herb. Okay, I will marinate for 10 minutes and then fry them. So slice into matchsticks. So and then add a little bit of salt. Then mix well. This is a firm tofu, not silky ones. This firm tofu is very good for filling. So I usually cut in half and then divide 3. And then cut in 3 again. If it's too big, then the filling getting too big. So I'm going to fry that with sriracha. If you don't have sriracha, you can use cayenne pepper or chili, any chili you have. And I will add a little bit of honey in it. This is a big pan, but I like to spread all over evenly, so big pan is better. Teaspoon homemade sriracha. 1 tablespoon liquid amino acid. So teaspoon raw honey. Teaspoon sesame seed oil. So now cooking tofu. When it starts to boil, I will simmer it because all need to well cook. So I will turn it over. So this all juice is gone, so I will stop cooking this now and I will cool it down. I'm adding the wine vinegar, 2 red wine vinegar, yeah? Little bit of fennel seed. Add some water. Okay, this is done, so I will cool it down. I will stop cooking because it's all done and all sauce is evaporated, so well cooked. Looks lovely. So again, I will cool it down because our fillings should be same temperature, so it's more like room temperature is ideal. Okay. So I cooked this rice. This is brown rice. I add some turmeric, so that's why it's so yellow. So I like to have a healthy version of Maki. So this need also cool down, but before I cooling down, I will add some apple cider vinegar. Okay, just 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Okay, I will cool down and then assemble all together. Whilst the rice is cooling down, I'm preparing some cucumber. This is seaweed I'm going to use, so matching with the same size like that, but slightly longer, like this. Okay, I usually use a little bit of salt. Every individual fillings need seasoning, so that make it taste better. So this is what I made the other day. See, it's well now marinated and smells lovely. So I'm going to use this as well. So for Maki filling, you can use anything really. You can use leftover vegetables, so you can put meat, chicken, or you can use smoked salmon. I used to make with the smoked salmon, that tastes very good too. And avocados. Again, we use kimchi, kimbap as well, so they are very good. These are from my garden, so I'm going to add these chives as well. So just quickly rinse and tap it and to get rid of some water. So now I'm making Maki. Assemble all the ingredients, yeah? You need a bowl of water, put it next to it. One is a bit rough side and the other one is very shiny. So this shiny part goes down and you have to put the rice on top of this rough side, the rice on top of the nori. Make it even. You need clean hands. Spread on nori evenly. So you have to do this edge part have to be nice solid, otherwise this doesn't make it nice one. This rice is brown rice with a glutinous brown rice. So when you use only just brown rice, this is very dry, so difficult to make it. But when you add glutinous brown rice, it is sticky, so it is better to mix together. You can use any rice, then you don't need to add glutinous rice, otherwise it will be too sticky. So it's well spread and evenly done. You don't need to fill whole pot. Usually I do is 2/3 of the nori, and then start with the cucumber. Just while you put it there, just press a little bit and roasted red pepper. If you don't want to grill or roast, just use a fresh pepper, that's fine too. Okay, slightly pressed. And tofu. This tofu is lovely. And now it's a carrot. I didn't put any oils in there, but you can fry with a little bit of oil, but not too much, because otherwise all ingredients fried with oil will be too much oil so will be lots of calories in it. And this is portobello mushrooms and some chives. Okay, wipe your hands and start to roll. But while you are rolling, just press down. Not too hard. If it's too hard, then it will be tear them. So while you press down and roll it. If you need, you can just some rice in here, so it will easy to stick together. Okay, voila, it's done. This rough side, this shiny goes on the bottom. Okay, wet your hands and spread all rice. When you make this with the children, it's also fun. Again, if you don't want to cook this carrot, you can use fresh one, but just slice them and marinate with a little bit of salt. Slightly press as you roll, slightly press them. You can use bamboo roll, but somehow I prefer this way. Okay, another one is done. So this is all done. When you slice it, you need a really good knife. So just wet a knife again with the water. Then slice. This edge is like flour. When you slice this, you know there is an edge of the nori. You better put this on the bottom like that, then it's easy to slice them. So it's all done. So this maki has been done. This is a localized maki. We use yellow radish and other ingredients we can get in Korea. But I can't get that easily, so I use only available around me, which is I get this stuff from either supermarket or online, something from RiverFord. So you can use any vegetables or anything you like, put it in here. Grilled vegetables or string beans will be very good in there. Or if you like meat, you can put the steak or bulgogi. I used to put smoked salmon as well, so they goes really well, and of course eggs. This is basically put what you like. So but every single individual fillings has to be marinated, like with salt and pepper, or slightly cooked with soy sauce or something like that. Or if you didn't do that, you can make a nice dressing. This is liquid amino with a little bit of vinegar and wasabi, so you can use this way. Okay, I'm going to taste it. This is really good. We make this for picnic. You make a sandwich, don't you? Why not try this maki for your next picnic? Hope you enjoy my recipe and please make your own. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and see you next time. Bye!